Class, good morning. Professor Paterna here, Marketing 200. And today is July 27th, Monday, and we are officially at the midpoint of this course. So I want to thank you all for all of your class participation, all of your inquiries. It's amazing how 4 weeks already have flown by, and here we are in week number 5 with 4 more to go. So I'd like to take this opportunity again to thank you. Watching your discussions, they're very comprehensive. A lot of good thought, a lot of good theory. The only thing that I ask you is keep up the responses. If I ask you a question, please respond to the question. Many times I ask you after I answer your question, what do you believe the experts are saying? That's an introduction for you to do a little research and say, well, gee, let me go find out what the experts are saying about this. And just quote them. According to Carter, A, B, C, and D, and his theory is X, Y, Z, etc., etc., etc. All right, put that part of your discussion. Put it right in there. Place it. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for your analysis, and we're looking for an expert analysis so we can have a comparative analysis. Good. The other issue I'd like to discuss is please, 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 please don't wait till Wednesday evening to post your discussion response. Try to get them in as soon as possible, class. Okay, that gives everybody the opportunity to come in and we could all have good dialogue. Otherwise, if we all wait till Wednesday evening, it's going to be very difficult for everybody to look at what everybody's saying. So please try to get in early on. The sessions open up usually on the Monday morning at 12:01 a.m., so you have plenty of time to do it on a Monday or a Tuesday. Don't wait till Wednesday. All right, thank you. All right, so we've gone through 4 classes. We've gone to class number 1, discussion 1. We talked about the 4 P's of marketing, product, price, place, promotion. We shifted gears. Week 2, we got into value-driven type of marketing. We looked at value. What is value? Value is equal to benefits divided by cost. So therefore, obviously, everything that we ever do with value, we look at there's a cost factor related to it, but it's also what are the benefits? How do we manage and measure those benefits? It's always managing and measuring, managing and measuring. Week 3, we looked at marketing strategies. Mintzberg talks about the 5 P's of strategy, manages a plan, a ploy, position, perspective, etc. And therefore, we need to look at marketing a little bit more carefully and see what is it that's happening here. If the customer is not buying, there's something wrong with one of those 4 P's or all of them. It could be the product. Maybe the product is not recommended at this time. It could be the price. We're marketing ourselves out of the market. We're pricing ourselves out of the market. Place could be the wrong place where we're marketing. Maybe we should go online rather than brick and mortar. The promotion, the advertising. Maybe you would have a strategic marketing plan, advertising plan. And the last one is, well, number 4 is product and pricing. Again, I just categorized. We talked about having the right product in the right place and the right pricing structure is so significant. So here we are in week number 5. We're talking about value chain distribution channels. Marketing could come from a channel distribution from a manufacturer right to the wholesaler and then to the retailer, or it could go from the manufacturer right to the retailer. There are different methodologies here as to how the product moves. My characterization is P to C, product to that consumer. How do we get that product to that consumer? So in this chapter, we're going to take another look at it and see how we get that product to that consumer. Okay, so once again, I want to thank you for the first 4 weeks. It looks real good. Let's continue on the path of success. I am here for you. I am part of your journey. I want to make this very successful. Keep up the good work as far as your class discussions. If you need additional time, again, I understand what's going on with the pandemic and everything. Reach out to me. That's why I am here, and therefore I will allow some additional time to complete the exercise. I just need to have communication. That's what it's all about. Communication, communicating with me, I communicate with you. There's a message. You're my audience. We're building a relationship for sustainability. That's what it's all about. All right. Anything else you need from me? Send me an email. Call me. You have my phone number. It's listed there. You like to reach out. I like to hear from you. Otherwise, I'll see you in the course room and have another great week. Take care.